wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gel nail kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Makartt French makes use of extensions, is easy to apply and can last for weeks with proper nail preparation. The 100% organic polygel cures under a light in 2 minutes and may be used for refills, but note this selection doesn't include a lamp. These do not break easily and it may be used without extensions. However, it can be hard to remove. At number 9, when ordering gellen manicure, you select your 4 colors and the polish goes on easily and creates a smooth, shiny finish. It also comes with stickers and rhinestones, an array of manicure tools, and an LED light featuring a display screen. There are 300 shades to choose from, and it cures quickly under a lamp, but it may not last as long as others. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Hanson Salon Pro gives you a mirror-like shine with no chips for up to 2 weeks after you apply all 3 coats, drying them under the LED light. It provides up to 10 manicures at home and includes a buffer, cuticle stick, and cleanser pads. The light is pretty sturdy and it includes straightforward directions. However, it can take several minutes to dry. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gel nail kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Red Carpet comes with its bright namesake shade of polish, along with base and top coats, cuticle oil, cleanser, remover, and a portable LED light, which comfortably covers 4 fingers at a time. You'll receive it all in a compact travel bag too. It also includes foolproof directions and stores easily in small spaces, but it doesn't cure very quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. Use Gelish Harmony for up to 21 days of lasting shine without chipping or peeling, and it soaks off in 15 minutes. The steps require more time than other options, but salon quality results can be achieved. Shades include June Bride and Plum and Dun. This one comes with 6 colors and pays for itself in around 3 uses. However, the included LED light is small. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're looking for a travel kit offering many colors, Modelones Portable provides 6 of them, along with a foldable curing lamp, a charger, and manicure tools. The dryer features both UV and LED lights, so it can be used with other gel products. It lasts for about 10 days or more, and the top coat seals nails well, but the shades are not labeled on the bottles. At number 4, Essie Couture includes 2 uniquely shaped bottles of polish that cures to a gel-like coating. It doesn't require or come with a lamp, but instead the top layer creates the finished product. It removes easily after 15 minutes of soaking. It's a simple 2-step system with a curve-hugging color brush. However, it may last just 1 week or less. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Coscelia 6 Colors provides multiple sanding, buffer, and cuticle tools, as well as stripe and glitter accessories. You choose your 6 shades, and the LED dryer comes with 3 time settings. If you're into decorations, this is your best bet. It produces a mirror shine finish and is both low odor and gentle on the skin. It can go on thick or thin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gel nail kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're seeking a salon quality set, Gelish Pro comes with everything needed to style and sculpt your nails, including a powerful 110-volt LED light. The polish dries in 30 seconds, staying on up to 3 weeks and soaking off in 15 minutes. The lamp covers all 5 fingers, and it includes 2 full-size color bottles. It uses a patented technology for removal. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Azure Beauty gives you 4 shades of polish that last for up to 2 weeks, along with clippers, a brush, and a buffer. The LED light provides a larger curing space than most options, accommodating 10 fingers or toes at a time for a faster drying experience. It features a time display screen on the lamp, a full set of manicure tools, and a high gloss finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gel nail kits, or simply click beneath this video.